Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your video storage location on CapCut PC. So to do that, go to menu, go back to homepage first, go to settings here and go to settings again. Go to the save to section and you're just going to select the folder. If it will open, you're just going to select the folder and you're going to change the file to somewhere else, like the file path, if it's like too full. Like for instance, your C drive is too full, or like your D drive and you want to like move it to another drive, you could do that. Once you have selected your folder, change this one too, as well as this one, then press save. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best. Sorry, my bottle almost fell. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.